I don't want to go into the technicalities that have been raised by our friends on the other side, outside of Parliament. But I can tell you on good authority that we acted within the laws of Ghana, we acted within the confines of the Constitution, and what happened on the floor was legal. Suffice to state that as a political class, we should try as much as possible to resolve our problems as in when they come up. Because these are political problems. If we always want to introduce law into political problems, we could run into a cul-de-sac. And that is what I would want all of us to discourage ourselves from doing. It may not end as well. The law operates in a manner that it can hit you at the wrong side, and the law itself may get it wrong. Yet the practicalities may present a different solution. So we have to be very careful on how we would always want to run to the law when we have a solution politically. That notwithstanding, I would say that it's within the right of our colleagues in the minority to express their disagreement. Look, I have said that our friends have been very cooperative. As for disagreement, you should expect it. They have their own party. We are in an enterprise of political competition. They've been in opposition. They are going into 8 years in opposition. They are seeking to get back to power come 2025. So you don't expect them to agree with you on everything. I mean, no.
Were you surprised about the minority leader, despite saying they were ready for the debate and all that regarding the E-Levy, in as much as they were adverse to it? Were you surprised about their work?
Well, do I really have an answer to whether or not I was surprised? I don't really have an answer. But what I can say is that perhaps they found it as a tool to really make a case to Ghanaians that we really were not part of it.
You didn't anticipate.
I am saying that I have no such art to find their mind's construction in their faces. Therefore, I can only say that they use that as a tool to send a loud signal that they disagree. And that is democracy. I have no problem with that. But the joy is that today they are back into the chamber for us to move on as a nation. To me, the fact that we are not splitting hairs on this, and we agree that as a democracy, this is our view, that is their view. We should move on as a nation.